Governments and automakers are accelerating the transition towards electric vehicles. However, a key barrier to widespread adoption is charging infrastructure. I, along with colleagues at Carnegie Mellon, received funding from the Sloan Foundation as well as the Department of Energy to develop an optimization model that can help us better understand how stakeholder preference for equity impacts the spatial distribution of level 2 chargers. Level 2 chargers can charge an electric vehicle anywhere between 4 to 8 hours.
In our work, we focused on 2 cities, Pittsburgh and Seattle. And we did this because we wanted to have both specific results about these 2 cities and also generalizable results. And Pittsburgh and Seattle are chosen because they're both very different. Pittsburgh is more suburban, whereas Seattle is densely populated and packed with high-rise buildings. In the generalizable set of insights, what we have is that we need a high number of chargers to achieve high coverage. So to achieve a 30 to 40% level of coverage, which is having access to at least one charger within walkable distance, what you need is about 50 chargers per 1,000 households, which is a lot. The more you include equity in a balanced way so that it matches demand, then you're going to get more overall coverage. And now for city-specific insights, in Pittsburgh, when you prioritize equity in our formulation, what you would get is a more spread out distribution spatially. And that's the opposite of what happens in Seattle, which is a more densely packed city. And so what happens in Seattle is that it tends to bunch the chargers in the downtown area. And this is because in this area there's a lot of high-rise buildings which do not have access to parking. And there's a lot of low-income populations that also live in that area. And so these are the 2 opposing city structures that we see, suburban versus densely populated, that could behave differently under our formulation.
The findings suggest that while equity-focused strategies can improve access for underserved populations, optimal strategies vary based on city-specific characteristics. This underscores the importance of considering equity when deploying charging infrastructure to promote fair and equitable access.